Hi, Jared Carmen from Carmen Real Estate, and welcome to 43 Helm Avenue in Safety Beach in beautiful Martha Cove. This is a stunning example of a townhouse that is really easy to live in. You need to get inside there and check it out. It's very cool. So upon entering the tiled entryway, you can go left to 2 bedrooms of a really nice size. Great proportions, big, nice colour palette, into the bathroom that services these 2 rooms. The bathroom is actually quite large. It's very big, nice high ceilings, floor to ceiling tile all the way through. Coming out into the main living area. This is awesome. So out in front of you, you get this huge bank of sliding doors that you can look straight out to Red Hill. It's a fantastic view there. And in the kitchen, sizable kitchen, you've got a massive area here, stone benchtop, stainless steel appliances all the way through, room for your microwave oven, and you're at the hub of it all. You're at the center of it all right here. You can entertain friends and family, still be part of the action, and watch a bit of telly if you want, get the fire going. This is an awesome space. The property is complete with ducted heating and cooling throughout, and a gas log fire in the living room. So off the living area is a second living area behind double doors. Now this is so super functional, it could be anything you like. Or you could run it as a home office if you really wanted to and have people access there. So you could run a professional suite from here. On the same level, which is a really cool part of this design, is the main bedroom. You've got 2 bedrooms there and the main bedroom here has loads of storage, an ensuite bathroom of really nice size, and the proportions of this room are great. It's actually quite a large bedroom. And you get an amazing outlook, great aspect. Now downstairs, there's a really cool surprise. Living area 3 or bedroom 4, however you like to utilize it. Kids' bedroom, whatever you want it to be, it's here. And again, you've got another access point. You can run whatever you want out of here. So on this level is another entry point and a courtyard out the front. The double garage, really good sized double garage. And then all this storage. Have a look at this storage. It goes on forever. Storage under the stairs. You could have the wine cellar of the century, or just store your stuff. You can store heaps down here. This is awesome. This is the little cherry on top. How awesome is this? Massive sliding bank of doors and enough room to have a party out here on your mod wood deck. You've got room for a couch, room for a huge table. This is an entertainer's true delight. So if you're looking for a really easy option, super easy to live in, low maintenance, this is the property for you. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime. I would love to show you through, but please be quick. This should not last.